Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make 3D Chrome text in Photoshop. First, open Photoshop and create a new document. You can choose any size and resolution that suits your project. As you can see, I have also already created a background for my text. What I'm gonna do is to lock this background layer so I won't move it by mistake. And then, before we start, let's go to Edit. Then click on Preferences. Click on Technology Previews. Make sure that the Activate Native Canvas is checked. If it's not checked, you will get preview errors while doing the 3D section of this tutorial. Click on Save and then restart Photoshop. After restarting, let's start with selecting the Type tool from the toolbar or press T on your keyboard. Click anywhere on the canvas and type your text. For this tutorial, I'll type Chrome. You can use any font you like, but bold and thick fonts work best for this effect. Here, I'm just choosing whatever, and I'll keep the size to 80. Once you have your text, center it on the canvas. You can do this by selecting the Move tool, then click on the text. Now select the text and click on Windows and select 3D. You will then get a 3D panel. Make sure that 3D extrusion is selected and then click on Create. As you can see, our text has changed into 3D. Now let's start creating the chrome effect. In the Properties panel right here, we are going to uncheck Catch Shadow and Cast Shadow. Change the extrusion depth to 0. Next, click on the third icon and set sides to front and back. In Contour, click on the down arrow and select the 7th option. Then set the angle to 90 and strength to 40. Then, your text will start looking like this. In the 3D panel, select the first Chrome font material and in the Properties panel, click on this down arrow and select the checker material. This is how it will look like on our text. To get that chrome-like effect, we're going to set the metallic to 100. Next, scroll down and click on the environment icon and select Edit Texture. Then, the checker material will be applied to a new canvas like this. Let's add an HDRI image on this. Drag the HDRI image and drop it on the canvas. Scale it till it covers the whole canvas and then click Ctrl+S to save it. Then go back to our main file image and you will see that our HDRI image has taken effect like so. Next, select the text and click on the Layers panel. Now let's make a duplicate of this layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Then, let's create a new layer by clicking this plus icon. Hold Shift and select the new layer and the Chrome copy layer and press Ctrl+E to merge these layers. After that, click on the eye icon to hide the main Chrome layer and click on the adjustment layer icon and select brightness and contrast. Keep brightness to -20 and contrast to 10. That will color correct our image. After that, select the background layer and unlock it. If you want to change your background to gradient, click on the shape layer and click on fill, then select the gradient icon. Once done, you can save your image. And that's it. You've successfully created a 3D Chrome text effect in Photoshop. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!